What's up guys, my name's Aiden and today I will be creating Lalala by, I think it's Y2K and BBNO $. Hey guys, so I finally finished making this the song, and there are some parts I want to go through with you. If you want the full in-depth look at this, I'll give you the link to the FLP in the description. But first off, let's look at the guitar. And that just repeats. And then it goes to the higher melody actually, which comes at the end of every 4 run-throughs. It goes to a higher version. I'll play that for you. Yep, and then that just goes back down to low again. And I put it onto my mixer, and I put on Sound Goodizer, and then I put on Fruity Parametric EQ, and did that to it, and then I put on isotope vinyl and brought the warp depth up to 11% and the year down to 1970. And then here's the 808. So I made this using my own 808, which I've shown you how to make that before. I'll leave a link to that. And then we have, as well, to make it sound a bit more interesting, I brought in Nexus, and I put on BA Dark Roll Bass 1 and turn off the delay and the reverb. Later on in the song again, the 808 goes up, and this is what it sounds like, which is the D going from an octave from D5 to D6. So this is what the 808 sounds like in the track. So this is the kick, and that hits pretty well with the 808. Apart from these last 2 notes, it hits on every first and second note of the 808. The clap varies again in this song, but this is what the clap sounds like. It's a pretty standard clap. So this is a hi-hat. If you want to have a look at it, go to the FLP, because it varies a lot throughout the song, but it has a pretty similar pattern for every sort of 8 bars it goes through, but it does vary on every single 8 bar. Okay, and then finally we have the downlifters and the crash. It's at the very beginning. After this first downlifter, every 8 bars is a crash. I'll play that as well. And with this crash, it's really important that you get rid of some of the low ends. You just focus on the highs. And then I put on a bit of reverb, just so it sort of continues out slowly and fades away. So this is what the entire thing sounds like together.